Hello everyone. Take a sheet of paper and a bottle cap. Make the circle like this. Now the two hands and the two little legs. Make the eye and a beak. Now use a sketch pen to outline it like this and color it using the sketch pen. We have made a cute little chicken. Now you have to make a structure like this and cut it out. Now cut the hard paper like this and stick it like this to make a 3D structure. Yes, just like this. Now add the wings onto it like this. Wow! Take a cardboard, mark the marking like this using a sketch pen. Yes, just like this. Now cut it out. Use the double-sided tape and stick some grass over the body of the animal. Now use some clay to make the balls. Take a strip, cut it out like this. Now add the two red circles onto the head, two eyes, a mouth and some blush to its cheek. Now roll it from the other side like this. Yes, we are made snail sitting on leaf. Take a paper, fold it like this, make the marking and make the scales also just like this as shown in the video using a pencil. Now cut the shape out like this using a scissor and cut the strips also where you have marked. Yeah, just like this. Now at the eye you will see the fishes are ready. Thanks for watching.